are in each month? How many days are in each month? If you know, so tell me. If you know, so tell me. Yes, I know. I will tell you. Yes, I know. I will tell you. 30 days have September, April, June, and November. 30 days have September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, except February long. All the rest have 31, except February long. Except February long.